Hello everyone, welcome to BDS Canon classes. Myself Sanjay Verma, your science teacher. Dear students, I hope that all of you doing hard work at your houses and enjoying the online study of BDSK online classes. Dear students, in my last video, I was told you about separation of methods by PDF and video. In this video, I am going to teach you about few methods of separation that is used in separation of impurities from the mixture or pure substances from the mixture. Okay? Overall, you consider that we separate out impure substance from the pure substance or pure substance from the mixture. Okay? So, dear students, there are following methods which are usable in separation of method. Number one, hand picking. Hand picking. Number two, threshing. Okay. Number third, winnowing. Number four is decantation. Number fifth is sedimentation. Okay. Number six is filtration. Number seventh is evaporation. Number 8 is sieving. So, dear friends, these are the processes which are used in separation of substances. Number one is hand picking. In this process, we separate the impurities by hands. Threshing, winnowing, decantation, sedimentation, filtration, evaporation, sieving. These are the methods by which we can separate out the impure substance from the mixture. Okay, so let's see about hand picking. Okay. Hand picking. Okay. Dear students, you know that hand picking is a very simple method of separation of impure substance. Okay. This process is used for separating slightly larger sized stones, sand, and impure substance, okay, from the wheat and rice. That is generally used in our villages by our mother, sister, or other family members. So, this is very simple method to separate the impure substance from the mixture, that is our rice, wheat, and other grains. Okay. And second is threshing. Threshing is another simple method by which we can separate our grains from the stalk. Okay, the process that is used to separate grains from stalk of crop are called as threshing. Okay, in this process, the harvested crop with their stalks are beaten by bullocks or machines to free the grains. Okay, for example, the harvested crop, that is paddy or wheat, are beaten to free the grains by machines or bullocks or sticks. Okay, so this is called as threshing. Means threshing is simply used to remove the grains from the crops over their stalks. Okay, next is winnowing. Winnowing is third method of separation of impure substance from their mixture. So, students, this process of separating component of mixture is called as winnowing. Means the process of separating components of mixture is called as winnowing. Okay, this method is used to separate heavier and lighter components of the mixture by using wind or blowing winds. Means suppose that the grains which their starch are mixed to each other. For separating the straw from the grains, we used the direction of blowing air to separate these grains or mixture from the grains. You know that grains are slightly heavier than starch, so the air blows the starch from the mixture, hence the grains are separated out from the starch or dust particles. So generally this is also used in villages to separate the grains from the mixture. Remaining all the methods of separation I will teach you in my next video. Thank you.